Hi. Now let us have a discussion of section formula. What is section formula? Already you have learned about distance formula in your class 9. If you want to find the distance between 2 points A and B, the distance formula is if the coordinates of A are x1, y1, if the coordinates of B are x2, y2, and if you want to find the distance of AB, the formula for this is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In section formula, many questions will be based on this. As you have studied this in 9th class, you have to refer this. Okay? Distance between 2 points is square root of the square of difference of x coordinates plus the difference of the square of the difference of y coordinates. Okay? Now let us come to section formula. What is section formula? Suppose point P divides the line joining A and B in the ratio m1 is to m2. Let me take the coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of B as x2, y2, P, x5. If this point P is dividing this AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, and if you know the coordinates of A and coordinates of B, how to find the coordinates of P? That is, coordinates of the point which intersects the line segment. Okay, joining the points. P, the coordinates of P are x1 we have taken. Remember, m1, x2. Just remember like this. Not m1, x1. m1, x2. For the x coordinate, let us work out now. m1, x2 plus m2, x1, m1, x2 plus m2, x1 by m1 plus m2 gives you the x coordinate of point P. Next, same way, m1, y2 plus m2, y1 by m1 plus m2 gives you the y coordinate of the point of intersection. If you know the coordinates of A and B, means this one, and also the ratio the point divides the line segment, direct formula is this. Sometimes it will be given to you like this. The line segment joining these 2 points is intersecting at y-axis. Remember children, the point on the, suppose this is y-axis. This is y-axis. This is the line. Many times you will get these kind of questions. The line segment joining the points A and B intersects y-axis at point P. Remember, every point on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. 0, y. That means x coordinate of the point of intersection you are getting. Okay. And in those cases, sometimes coordinates of A and B will be given to you. By using this means coordinates of x1, y1, x2, y2 will be given to you. x1, y1, x2, y2 will be given to you. X coordinate you are knowing. Then let me do simple example 1 to this one. Let me give as -1, 2. And this side, let me give you 3 minus 4. Okay, roughly I am giving. That means A you can take as x1, y1. Always you mark like this children, no confusion will be there. Okay, here you see, these type of questions it will be asked, find the ratio. Find the ratio by which the point of intersection, the point divides the line segment joining A and B. Here you know the x coordinate. X coordinate, in order to get the x coordinate, the formula already you know. So 0 is equal to, m1 we don't know, x2 is 3 plus m2 we don't know, m2 x1 you take as m1 m2, x1 is -1 by m1 plus m2. By cross multiplication, m1 plus m2 into 0 is 0. So this is equal to 0. That means 3m1 minus m2 is 0, or 3m1 is equal to m2. That implies bring this m2 this side. m1 by m2 equal to here. This one came 1. This 3 goes this side, 1 by 3. So what is the ratio? Point P divides A and B in the ratio of 1:3. You got the ratio? So like the different questions you are going to get, main formula try to understand. Sometimes it will be given the line intersects x-axis at this point, then y coordinate will be 0. If the line intersects y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. Okay? So this is your section formula. Now what is midpoint formula? Very simple. Midpoint means what? The point divides the line segment into two equal parts. So from this let us deduct. That means these two are equal. M1 and M2 are equal. M1 and M2 are equal. 1 is to 1. Okay. Suppose this is A, this is B. Coordinates of A are x1, y1. Coordinates of B are x2, y2. Midpoint is P, x, y. So midpoint means 1:1 ratio. For your better understanding I am saying. So what will you have? M1 is 1 into x2. M2 is 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1. Here M1 is 1 again, y2 plus M2 is 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1. That equal to x2 plus x1 or x1 plus x2 by 2. Here y2 plus y1, or I can get y1 plus y2 by 2. So you will get the coordinates of P, x, y. This is your midpoint formula. No need to do like this. How and why, how we got this, I will explain you. This is your midpoint formula. If you know the coordinates of A and B, if you have to find the midpoint of these 2 points, you can do this. Sometimes it will be given, the coordinates of A will be given, the coordinates of the midpoint will be given to you. You have to find this same way. The coordinates of the midpoint will be given to you. Suppose this is x coordinate is 1. You can write x1 plus x2 by 2 is 1. If x1 is known, you can get x2. Yes or no? So section formula you have learnt. Before that I have explained, I told you what is distance formula and how to substitute and how to get the ratio by which the point divides the line segment joining 2 points. I have explained you. And next point is centroid. What is the centroid of a triangle? Centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle is centroid. Point of intersection of the medians. If ABC is a triangle, if P is the midpoint of BC, Q is the midpoint of AC, R is the midpoint of AB, then AP is the median. Actually all these you have learned in your 8th class. Median means the line segment joining a vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. When you join all these, we get this is the centroid. Let me name it as O. Let me name it as O is the centroid. If you know the coordinates of A, B and C, and if you have to find the coordinates of the centroid, there is a formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 gives you the x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 gives you the y coordinate of the centroid. And mostly in this chapter you are going to learn that some coordinates of some points will be given to you. Prove that coordinates of A, B, C, D are these. Prove that the A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. ABCD is a trapezium, it is a rectangle, square, like that will be given to you. For that you have to know the formulas. In order to show that ABCD is a parallelogram, what you have to show? If you want to show that ABCD is a parallelogram, you know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals bisect each other. If you know the, if you want to show, suppose ABCD. So, in order to show that ABCD is a parallelogram, if O is the point of intersection of diagonals, you find the midpoint of AC. Okay, find the midpoint of ABD. If it satisfies, yes, it is a parallelogram. Or prove that it is a square. In a square, the diagonals are equal. By distance formula, find out AC, find out BD, length of AC, length of BD. If they are equal, you can say that it is a square. And also they bisect also. They are, in a square also the diagonals bisect each other. Are you clear? Like this, as per the question, you have to use and you have to apply. Okay? I think mostly you will get like this section formula. Find the ratio by which it divides. Such type of questions you will get. And the line intersects y-axis, line intersects x-axis. Like that you will get. So, make the concept clear, you will be able to do. Okay? In the next video, we will move to the revision of next chapter, some other chapter. Okay? Thank you.